Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Manicured by Jill. And in this pilot series, Style Me, I ask you guys to help me choose which pair of press-on nails to wear with an outfit for an upcoming event. And I always post the final reveal on my Instagram, so if you follow me, my handle is @manicuredbyjill on Instagram. You'll see all of the final reveals on there. And I have you vote by commenting below. And if you choose the set that I end up choosing to wear for the event, then you get access to an exclusive discount code to my shop on Etsy, Manicured by Jill, for an exclusive discount towards one of my press-on nail sets on the store. So I have my cousin's high school graduation coming up this weekend. I'm so excited for her. She graduated high school, so I'm excited. I have a floral dress, and you'll see the photo of this really pretty dress. It just has a very nice, like, flowy, floral look to it, and kind of like a creamy base color. So I'm really undecided. So this one, I have 4 options. Usually I just have 3 for you guys to vote on, but this time I have 4. I could not narrow it down to 3, so I'm gonna show you them one by one. So let's get started. So this first set, I really love it because it's simple, but it's not boring by any means. I really like this because it's matte. So I'm going to show you, this is option number 1. This beautiful minty green in matte, and this is the short oval press-on set. I really like this because I feel like this would go really well with the floral theme of the dress. I always think of like the stem of a flower when I see like the green in this, this shade. It would perfectly go with the flowers, in my opinion. I think this is just a really nice, simple set, but it's also kind of trendy with the matte, so I really love this one. So this is option number 1. So if this is your choice that you want to vote on it, go ahead and comment option number 1 and let me know why, because I love to hear your thoughts and opinions, and maybe you'll help me choose. So I will show you option number 2. Option number 2 has a little bit of glitz and glam, which I love that. And here we go. Here is option number 2. This is the short stiletto, and it just catches the light and dances. It's just such a pretty light pink, and you can't really go wrong with this. This is just universally a flattering color, and I feel like it goes with pretty much any outfit. So I really love this option. So this is going to be option number 2. So if you think that this is the clear choice, then comment below option number 2 and let me know your thoughts. I think this one is just really great, and I think, like I said, it can go with anything, and it doesn't necessarily have to match the outfit. It's just enough. It's not going to clash. It's not going to take away from the dress too much. It's just a pretty accent with the pretty glitter. Option number 3 has my heart, so I absolutely love this set. I have worn this before, so I may end up re-wearing this one if you guys help me choose this one. So this is option number 3, and this is like a creamy shimmer color that is blended with a creamy white. These are Dipnotic Nails colors. I absolutely love them. And I love the middle accent nail. It reminds me of springtime flowers. It's called Hydrangea, actually, by Dipnotic Nails. And I just love that periwinkle color. It's just so pretty, and it reminds me so much of like a pale blue flower. I just absolutely love this, and I think this would go so well with the dress, especially with the creamy colors, with a creamy base of this dress. I think that would go very well together, and I just cannot say enough good things about this set. I absolutely love it. So if you guys think that this is the clear choice, then comment below option number 3. So these are the first 3, and now I'm going to show you option number 4, our final option. This is gonna be so hard to pick, you guys. So this one I'm very excited about. This is going to be coming to my Etsy shop very soon, so keep your eyes peeled. This is just so beautiful. So here is my floral set. These are actual flowers, dried flowers in this set. And then there's gold foil in there as well that you can see. And I'm just in love with this set. I can't even imagine my life before having floral dip powders. This is just incredible, and I am so excited to share this with you guys on my Etsy shop. I am in love with this. This is the short square shape, by the way, and this is a really great option. Let me make sure I'm in focus. Short square is a really great option for people who are super busy, on the go, and they need very low maintenance nails but still want them to be pretty. So I love the short square for that reason. I'm very hard on my nails, and so I think it's just really convenient to have nails like this that are short and low maintenance. So I love that about the short options. So this is option number 4. So if you think this is the clear pick, then comment below option number 4 and let me know your thoughts. So these are all 4 options. I need your help to choose which one to wear to my cousin's graduation party this weekend. So please help me, vote below. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next episode.